Hello, we have the January Little Bits box, and I have to say, I love the pink box. So we'll do an unboxing and see what all's included. Love the colors. So let's take everything out, and I'll move the box out of the way. And as always, we'll start with the papers. So here is the first sheet. Never grow up, it's a trap. And on the back side, it's just pink with polka dots. Here is like an ombre sparkly. Looks like it has diamonds on it. Back of it is a chevron. Here is the third sheet with the florals. The back is stripes. And then it looks like there are two acetate sheets. So we'll slide them out of the packaging. Sorry for the noise. So you have a Never Grow Up. It's a trap. So you can see this is an acetate and it's got silver foiled hearts. If you can see it, I know the glare's kind of on there. So it matches the sheet here, except for the hearts are silver. And then the second one is the foil, and it has silver dots on it. Silver foil dots. Here are the coloring stickers for the month. Very cute. The clip is a polymer fail clip, the rubber planner clips. That's this month's clip. Here is the washi, Choose Kindness, and it's got girls and some cute little animals. It might be a little, it's focusing on the bottom there. So, but it's pretty cute. Here is this month's TN. It's the white with the diamonds and the floral pattern. And this one is a little bit smaller, so maybe just slightly over pocket size. It does have two inserts and purple elastics, silver hardware. And this month's pencil bag says Girl Boss. Very cute. Love the little puppy. And here is the card for this month that shows you everything that's in the kit. And this is the December kit. And here is the goodie bag. So the pen this month is a silver diamond gem pen. Very pretty. Love the little purple organza bag. And then there is a girl charm this month. Sticky notes with the little animals on them. Super cute. Here is this month's stamps. Never Grow Up, It's a Trap. You got like a couple, the puppy, the little notes, Love Hard, the girl with the puppy, a heart, and some heart checks. Like those a lot. Here are some bookmarks. If I can get them all out, sliding out one at a time. So you've got plans, to do, and today with the planner on it. Cute. And the die cuts. And again, this one, the packaging could be reused, holes punched in it, because the packaging is always very nice and matches the kit also. So you've got this girl. Let's move the stamps over. Got the little puppy sleeping, dreaming of a bone. Never Grow Up, It's a Trap. And macaroon. A little bulldog with a bow. A sunshine and a cloud. Choose Kindness every single time. You got a coffee or a latte or a hot chocolate. Today is going to be a great day, and I really love these colors. Got a happy little cloud, a cupcake with a bow, a little jar of chocolate, love hard, a little butterfly, the little animals, some happy balloons, a planner, coffee to go, cute little heart sweater with ruffly shoulders, cute little girl with a puppy in her hair, the snuggly girl in a onesie, and another cute girl with a puppy in her hair. So that's the die cuts. And now we'll look at the stickers for the month. Huh, they came out much better. So here's your full boxes and some hearts and some banners. You've got this sheet with the girls and the little dogs. These are silver foiled, if you can see them. So you got all your to-dos, schedules, some washi strips, and a couple flags, and your words. Your headers, and some more florals. Here's some more like full boxes and flags, a little scallop border, like the silver snowman. Here's your date covers, more flags. Here is some more scallop borders, some flags, little best friend. I think she has the cutest stickers. And then you've got your words, best year yet, best day ever, you are more than enough, never grow up, choose kindness, everything is better. Then you got the girls, icons, and today I will be my best self. So that is the December Mommy Lhey kit. And if you did need to resubscribe so that you get the January box, and I missed it, so I may not have January, but I will subscribe again next month. But that was the kit this month, so thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.